Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn on biometric verification for Google Play Store app purchases. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, in order to turn on biometric verification for all the purchases that you make on Google Play Store, you will have to first of all head into the Google Play Store app, and after that you'll have to tap on your profile on the top right corner on that your account, and then hit settings on the bottom. Once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on general, and now scroll down all the way, and you'll be able to find an option of purchase verification that says applies to purchases through Google Play Store for this Google account on this device. Now you'll have to tap on the arrow next to it, and right here you'll be able to find an option of a biometric verification that says use face or fingerprint instead of password, and make sure that this option is turned on. And now you'll have to verify through your fingerprint, and I verified it. And now whenever you'll purchase an app like from Play Store, a new purchase, you'll be always notified, you'll be always notified, and a pop-up will appear in front of you to verify that you are using your phone or not. You'll have to verify it through Face ID or fingerprint ID, and then you'll be able to make that purchase. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.